we are with the GM San Antonio, working on 2018 Chevrolet Malibu, proximity style. Customer lost the key, just create him a new one, OEM one. All the features works. Trunk, penny. In case the car battery dead, you're gonna need to remove this cap and remove the emergency key from here, open it manually. In this case the proximity works fine because it's brand new key and pretty much brand new vehicle. Alright. We're gonna jump in. In case the remote die, you're gonna need the cup holder program. It's either here, cup holder, or in this case it's 2018, it's gonna be right here. That's where you're gonna need to put the fob in case the car battery defected or the remote is not good no more. In this case it's brand new one, we're not gonna use it. Just leave it here, press the brake and run the engine. Car is running, no error except the hood because I had to leave the car in the jumper cable for the whole process. Thank you for watching. The GM San Antonio. Best price guarantee. Thank you for watching.